In late 2001, while the world's attention was fixed on boots on the ground, airstrikes, and breaking news from Kabul, something far more secretive was taking shape far above the mountains of Afghanistan. It wasn't announced in press briefings. It wasn't shown on television. And for years, it wasn't even officially acknowledged. Hidden behind classified budgets, coded language, and remote desert airfields, a silent revolution in warfare was being born, a secret CIA drone program that would forever change how modern wars are fought. At the start of the Afghanistan War, the United States faced a problem no conventional military doctrine had fully solved. The enemy did not wear uniforms. There were no clear front lines. Operations that once took weeks of planning could now happen in hours. Intelligence became real-time, decisions became faster, more surgical, and more centralized. War was no longer confined to battlefields. It became something that could happen anywhere, at any moment, based on data streaming live across the globe. Who decides when a strike happens? What level of certainty is enough? How do you measure success when there are no soldiers advancing, no territory captured, and no formal surrender? In Afghanistan, these questions were often answered behind closed doors, far from public debate. The program operated under legal authorities few people understood and ethical frameworks still being written in real time. As successes mounted, so did reliance on the program. What began as a limited experiment in Afghanistan soon became a central pillar of counterterrorism strategy. Other agencies took notice. The military adopted similar systems. Allies began developing their own drone capabilities, and adversaries started to adapt, changing behavior, hiding better, communicating less. Yet, despite its effectiveness, the program remained largely invisible to the public for years. Official statements were vague, acknowledgments were rare. They were shaped by surveillance, data, precision, and remote action. The Afghanistan War became a blueprint, studied, copied, and criticized for how future wars would be fought. From counterterrorism operations to border surveillance, from military conflicts to intelligence gathering, the legacy of that secret CIA program is everywhere. But the most important question remains unanswered. Did this new way of war make the world safer, or simply more accustomed to endless conflict? If you want to understand how secret technologies shape the wars of tomorrow, this story is just the beginning.